Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add a picture on TikTok videos using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to launch your TikTok app and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen so that you can start taking your video. So just go ahead and take a video. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click the check mark at the right side of it. Go ahead and take a video. So I'm sorry about that. So let's proceed. And now I want you to do is to click on the editor button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you can see the plus sign at the right side of it, right? So just go ahead and click on that. And now you can start choosing the picture that you want to add. Okay, you can choose multiple pictures. And now just go ahead and click on confirm at the lower right corner of your screen and click on save. Next. And now you can start typing your caption, and now you can post your video. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.